We're going to the beach. Nora's excited. No, she just wants to walk. We've arrived. We're on Anna Maria Island at the beach, meeting up with some friends. You guys excited?
Yeah.
It's gonna feel so good.
Oh, it does. Look at how much.
You made it!
In blue fashion, of course. Late.
Fashionably late.
What's up, brother?
How's it going, man? Good.
Good to see you.
Me too.
She was on Facebook.
Hi there.
Good to see you. Hey, Justin.
Hi, how are you?
Long time.
I used to work with Mike back in Illinois. That's how we became friends. Mike and his brother and his niece actually sang at our wedding, and that was pretty awesome.
I love the Little Mermaid and I love your football.
After he retired, him and his wife moved down here to Florida, and so it's been about 4.5 years since I've seen him. I told him, like, they're gonna be ready. I got a hold of Mike and told him we were coming down here, and he told me that they were moving to Texas. They actually got postponed by a few days, so we're able to have this beach day together. They're leaving in a couple days, and we wish them nothing but the best. You want to touch it? This is your first time in the Gulf of Mexico. You've been in the Atlantic Ocean, but never the Gulf. It's cold, yeah, definitely. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, Nora's here. Here's your first time in the Gulf. She wants in. Yeah, it's chilly. Cheers.
Ah, I'm losing my cheese.
Great.
Oh boy. Let's put another shrimp on the barbie.
Oh yeah, that's cold again. Feels like ice. And those people are way out there. Holy cow, it's shallow. Do you like it? Yeah?